This FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Relief and going back to their normal life. After all of this, after it's said and done, you find the same projections never true. Say, in the next week to 10 days, normal life best start. It be a spillage. What next?
What next? An interministerial committee in the because they is the state who come in with the VR is also a state agency who is part of the committee that has come as a invited body. The recommendations will definitely come from them to decide what should be done for these people who have been affected. What has to be done to make sure this thing don't happen again. Yet the vice president can say we should bring engineering solution for this not to happen again. All those things will come to the table for us to.
Until there could be an engineering solution.
We will look at it and see how best we can also prevent if it should happen. What can we do to make sure we are taking the maps again? We have what we call the non-dated maps. So in so areas ever flood, Yeah, taking data this year. We are flying over, taking data to make sure that look, this is how far it went. So that data has to be sent to the district assembly. District assembly is more side on data map now. So in case a dam, anything should happen at this percentage of gate opening with this amount of water, these areas will be flooded. So these are these maps given to them. We want to confirm and even go beyond what we have to be sure that look, this is the actual one that happened. This is where it is. What decision should be taken out of that data? Chairman, yeah, because you holding Suez or Mensoning Koi, the north is flooding.
Yeah.
Savannah region is flooded because we're also not allowing the water to go. So, who holding Sono, who obey the level, the north is so flooded.
Flooded, but down.
So, it's like a go situation. The middle should allow the water to go to relieve the people in the north. It goes to affect them. If you hold it too much, the people in the north are also suffering. So you're in the middle to do that balance act properly to make sure everybody is comfortable. All the things involved, the plant is safe, the people downstream are safe, the people upstream are also safe. NADMO is going to the north to assess the damage caused at the north. And we also have to provide relief for those people at the north.
Okay, be about maps. Minim said maybe so pen and said I never be a petrol coba midobeko. More maps, VRA or maps, yeah, my assemblies. Me assure say some maps you order data. When him say EBA infidena ahabeiri. 67 according to now okay. Yenya BBC. But maybe ana develop maybe brain hosa. Engineer. Nipa ni bibre wo ha nke ni so mo ho no kre
that question on the major assembly for no I'm not so we answer because we plan to do upstream
nature we bisa sa de say sa anano kan na so wasanka mo the maps na ma assemblies ni nyina
and on the 10 maps they have it
enti omunim say aha and so you know about na omama permit na nkofo esidan you see hospital you see clinic you see school you see money movie but I say mom person mo beka
oh yeah I won't say that we don't know how those how it works there so I will not say I will sit here and fault them. We have to find out, investigate and know what it is, whether that is what we are seeing, if it is true.
Oh, my politically correct answer.
Partial that. We're engineers answer.
Engineering answer. Oh. Engineer Edward Obin Kenzo, Deputy Chief Executive, VRA, and Nutrition Command.
This FM 104.3. Good to meet you.